Z, welcome to cryptocurrency. There is a channel where you can be, where I'm back every single day, except for the last 3 days, but I was here anyways. Oh, we are done, guys. We are done. I'm out of this shit. I'm tired of this volatility. I can't take it. I bought at the top. I bought just on the 4th of April, not even a month ago, and I'm already out of this stuff. I'm done with this crypto stuff. I'm done. Guys, can you imagine a world without cryptocurrency theory? Honestly, at least a crypto YouTube world. I can't. I honestly can't at this point. So, guys, I'm not leaving. So get over it. I know some of you are excited. Oh, he's finally giving up. He's finally throwing in the towel. He's throwing it in. He's waving the white flag. No, no, guys, I'm not. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. Taking a step back here on the channel, guys. We might be taking a few step backs as we start looking at the prices and some of the stuff going on in crypto world. And I think Bitcoinist pretty much says it all right here on this screen, guys. Right here on this screen, right here. So, guys, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and share the video. This will be one of the biggest videos we've done. And I know we say that about once a week, guys, but we're talking about events in a timeline, put on a timeline since I've been on here. And it's been major stuff, guys. Major fucking stuff. So if you're not subscribed, guys, check us out here on the channel. We are giving you a live update all the time, every single second of every single day. And I guess at first it's appropriate to tell you guys why I haven't been on here. Well, been up doing other shit, guys. I've been telling you I've been doing other shit. I'm trying to get this shit together because we are going to be upgrading the channel probably within, I would say, the next month, maybe a little bit longer. I wouldn't put it far past this month. And that's going to be huge for this channel, guys. All right. So I know there's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of people are panicking. I know you guys are running down to the chat. Some of you breaking your ankles. Some of you, running into the door to get in. Similar to the Bitcoin transaction rate yet last week. Holy shit! I can't believe I said that. That came out of nowhere. What's good? But basically what we're doing, guys, is the last few days, we are going to be upgrading the channel. We are going to be upgrading the channel, guys, and that is what's happening on the channel, on the chat, on cryptocurrency theory. Every single second of every single day. From here on out. Whether I'm here or not. Whether you're here or not. Whether we all here together or not. So what it comes down to, guys, is I'm going to have to get this channel going because this shit needs to get going faster. You know what I'm saying? Similar to these prices. So, prices over the last couple days, I know you guys are hurt, okay? I know you guys are feeling the pain. All right? So, we're down about half, all right? Relatively speaking, I would say we're down about half in most cryptocurrency markets, meaning ERC20 tokens, BTC, Bitcoin Cash. We're down 50% almost on a lot of these coins in a matter of about a month, less than a month. So we also went up very quickly in less than a month as well. So I know that we've ran into a wall here, guys. I've hit the wall too. I'm just trying to assess the situation, assess the damage here on the channel. So come on down and keep me company. So, guys, a lot of fucking stuff has happened. I don't know where to start. I mean, pretty much the biggest, and a lot of the reasons I didn't come on here, I was curious to see if you guys would fall in line with what we're talking about here on the channel, but, others tend to disappoint me very easily. So just realize that I probably disappointed you and you've probably disappointed me. So But that has nothing to do with what is going on. That just has to do with the prices being down, really. And it's just it's like a self-loathing sense of denial, if that makes sense. It's like a self-loathing sense of denial because the prices are down, like I said, 40 to 50 fucking percent. And it doesn't get much crappier than that because that means we know that the people that are down that came in during those times are down substantial amounts in line with people that, I'm still up, but it's not when you shed that much off the new people coming in, it's gonna weed a lot of people out, guys. We probably lost, I would say, 20 to 30% of the people that came in on. I'll just throw Solana coin on there because you guys have been commenting about it about when it hit 180, okay, as it was going up from fucking 175 to 200. And then we saw altcoins pump. I'm not saying that Solana created this. I'm just saying, guys, let's be honest here. It went up. The other coins went up. They crashed. We're down 30, 40, 50% in some cases. We've had Xingping Zhao go to fucking prison for 4 months. And what do we have? Okay, guys, focus here. Now that you're here, now that you're on cryptocurrency theory, focus in on this one. Roger Ver gets arrested on the same day that CZ gets sentenced. Is anybody fucking smelling the dog shit? Please drop it in the comments if you are. Is anybody in this world of YouTube crypto see the ironic stuff going on, but more seeing nobody react to this stuff? So, we talk about putting our aluminum foil hats on this channel. We might want to start putting our helmets on and running for the bunkers, guys, because this shit could fucking implode. And we could theoretically, we could go into free fall and it wouldn't surprise me at this point, guys, honestly. Like, I was looking at prices today before we got on here. Constantly, guys, obviously, being a crypto person, I'm looking at prices. I'm one of the crypto people that look at prices probably, I would say probably several, I don't know, I think maybe like close to 100 times a day. That would be reasonable. I mean, I don't think that's too far out of line, especially if they're moving. You can look at crypto prices 10 times in an hour just doing stuff as if the prices are moving. So I would say like anywhere from there are some days, guys, that I don't even look at prices. I'm going to be honest. There are days that happens, but I would say that's like 3, maybe 4 days out of the month when I'm just, I look at them a few times and I still look at them probably 5 or 6 times. I'm just not looking at them, every 15, 20 minutes. So, guys, check us out here. We're on the channel. With everybody getting arrested nowadays, don't be surprised if they throw me in the slammer. Oops, cryptocurrency theory's in jail too, yet nobody's talking about it because nobody gives a fuck. So my point is guys, come on down. Let's head to the chat now and see if you're here yet. Oh, God. A lot of shit going on, guys. A lot of shit going on. So, guys, we got 10 people in the chat. What's good? If you guys are just coming into the chat, no, I'm not done. No, I'm not. Yes, that was clickbait, but I know you guys enjoy it, so. ASIC Mining India. Yep, we'll go into BCH. We'll get some type of show going here. What's up, Alan? My dude. Alan's in the house, guys. So, what's up? And, Asia Mining. Yeah, is everybody going into Bitcoin Cash right now? I feel like a lot more people are going into it recently. A lot more people are going into Bitcoin Cash recently. I do not understand why, other than it's badass. And keep it coming. If you guys are coming into Bitcoin Cash, like, we welcome you with open arms. What we also welcome into open arms is, members of this channel, guys. Members of this channel that are here every single day, like Alan. Alan is always here, guys. He always says hello, and he's always cordial and pleasant to be in the chat. So, Alan, welcome. And we like you guys to light up the chat, especially when you're just sitting there staring at the phone. it makes sense to throw a comment in there, simply because you guys know that if we spark comments, the chat starts moving to more people on YouTube, and I get paid more money, and therefore I buy more crypto and continue my survival. So let's get those comments coming in the chat. I need to get some pay coming in here. I need to be making money, so come on down. And you've been holding it for 2 years? That's fucking dope, man. Or woman. What's your name? Drop it in the chat. We got ASIC India Mining, guys. And what you don't know, guys, is people do actually, you know what the funny part about this is we've had people come into the chat, guys, that are notorious in the crypto community. For one, because they've reached out to me. For two, they've told me who they were. For three, I don't know. That's just what it is. So they come into this chat because this chat is talking about the stuff that matters, guys. We're not talking about stuff that doesn't matter. And yes, we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash. Yes, we're going to talk about Roger Ver going to jail now and fucking CZ going to prison for 4 months. But that has nothing to do with crypto. That has everything to do with the psyop fucking ironic timeline nature of this stuff, because again, it was the same day. You see what I'm saying? So it's not like they arrested Roger today, right? It was yesterday as he got sentenced, CZ got sentenced, Roger got arrested. So I'm not sure on the exact day, but at least that's when it was hitting the news, so that's all we can go on. And basically, even if it's not the same day, look at the timing, guys. That's all I'm saying. Look at the timing. Like, I feel like with this stuff going on, nobody's safe in crypto. Like, guys, if for some reason I go to if I'm not on here for more than, I would say, like, we'll be fair. There are times I don't get on here for about a week. So, and it's mostly, guys, it has nothing to do with prices. I actually have not been getting on here because the prices are down. I've been not getting on here because I'm trying to figure out a way to upgrade the channel. And once the channel's upgraded, guys, it'll be more functional. Like, it'll be, it'll have what it needs to function. So once it has what it needs to function, it probably won't, but it'll still be badass. So go crypto. Sad to hear about Roger. Yeah, I mean, guys, I feel like Roger's kind of he's one of these characters in the crypto space where, like, I've been following him for a long time, and he's pretty much always said the same stuff. But I think the problem with Roger is he should have, like, I don't know, like, you can't be, I'm not saying I'm not grateful for him speaking out about crypto, but I feel like if I had that amount of crypto, like, I'm saying, guys, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm too much of a pussy to, if I was CZ, if I was Roger, if I would be, okay, here we go. I found out what I'd do. I would be playing more like Jihan if I was in crypto, like, to their level, guys. You got to think to their caliber. Again, if I'm trying to basically, with this channel, be like them, be in that category. But if I theoretically were in that category, which I'm not, which I don't see myself, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I don't see myself a billionaire in crypto. I have to be realistic here. Maybe if I get a couple moonshot coins and I can get maybe, I don't know, 200 million or $1 million in it, maybe. It's not out of the realm of possibility. I'm just saying, if I got to that caliber, guys, I would basically just live in a box and enjoy my life. And I mean, seriously, like, if you think about it, Roger and CZ really are, I would say, if not at the top, as in, like, if you start looking at crypto characters in the space, like actual crypto people that have been advocates of this stuff for, we're talking over a decade, guys, okay? Over a fucking decade. These people are the real crypto people, not these I'm not saying Michael Saylor, like, yeah, he's investing in it. Yeah, like, what's the other, Mike Novargarts, they've all came, they came at different times, and yeah, those are crypto people now too. Obviously, I'm not putting those people down. They're great too, but I'm just giving you an idea of the dynamic of the early crypto people are not the same as the new crypto people. And I'm saying that if you look in totality of the people that are in the top brackets of crypto that have made substantial gains in the space in terms of cryptocurrency awareness, learning about crypto and actually getting into it and the actual going through the motions of trading it. If you look at the characters at the top that are in crypto over a decade, guys, we're looking at like Roger Ver. We're looking at fucking like CZ. We're looking at fucking people like Ross Ulbricht. We're looking at people like fucking Ian Freeman. We're looking at a ton of others. Okay, there's a ton of others that go down the notoriety list of top people. Have you noticed, guys? If you look at the people that are not in line with BTC only in the top lineup of those, the only people like I can really think of off the top of my head is like Vitalik and maybe a handful of others that aren't in jail or have not been arrested and are I mean, look at them, guys. I'm not saying these were the only people in crypto, guys. Don't misconstrue what I'm saying or don't twist my words to fit something that you want to think. I'm saying like if we look at the crypto space of people that have made monumental shifts outside of the BTC space and are still here and are still active in the communities, like I just said, CZ, Roger. I mean, guys, CZ just fucking retired. I don't even think it's been a year. Like when he said like, "Hey, I'm stepping away." I think that was just a few months ago. So, um, the the other thing I wanted to say was if you look at these same people, guys, like what the fuck is the markets about to do? What is Binance Coin about to do? How is Bitcoin Cash going to react to this? How is BSV going to react to this? I mean, you guys, I mean, look at Craig. We were just talking about Craig a few weeks ago. Look at all the, look at the timelines of this stuff, guys, and just start to try to paint a picture of following me on what is going on here. I think the problem with uh, well, for one, me belching like this, but for one, is that you guys need to understand that like the timing of this stuff is super important every fucking time. So just because I wasn't on here yesterday, guys, I did take note. And Brad C, thanks you. I would have figured out that Roger got arrested anyways, but you let me know like right when it happened. So yes, I did know. And I hope that Roger fucking doesn't get in trouble because I don't think he's even a U.S. citizen anymore, guys. I think he's like, I don't even think he has businesses in the United States. So it's all a bit fucking weird, and we don't know. We don't know the specifics of Roger, but we do know the specifics of CZ, and he just got 4 months in prison, which honestly, guys, I'm kind of glad he got 4 months. Not because I wanted him to get in trouble, because I thought like there was a chance he was going to get more time. I mean, I think they were saying, I was hearing all sorts of stuff, guys. I think I heard like 3 years, and I want to say I heard longer than that, which I'm like, fuck, dude, like, you know, I mean, look at what is going on. That's all I'm saying. Look at what is going on. And yeah, and see that's like people are saying Craig will go to jail. Like if you look at the people that were like pre 2017, you look at all those people, you look at, the timing of what's going on, you'll start to kind of see it's a bit weird. I'm not saying it's, it couldn't be ironic. I'm just saying it is a bit weird on the timing. And I think everybody would agree. Ah, taking myself off coffee too, guys. That was something else I was doing over the break. Yeah, I mean, I feel like CZ will be good, guys. But I mean, guys, we can't take it out of the realm of possibility. Like when big characters in the crypto space go down, like we just don't know what'll happen. Okay, like we don't know if we're gonna get news of like SBF getting killed in prison, or CZ getting killed in prison, or Roger Ver getting killed in prison, or Jeffrey Epstein getting killed in prison. And what does Jeffrey Epstein have to do with anything about crypto? I'm just trying to give you the idea of a conspiracy of we shouldn't think it's out of the crazy thought to think of we're going to hear about news about these people getting killed. because I'm just throwing that name out there, guys, not because Jeffrey Epstein had anything to do. I don't even think he was in crypto, but because of the psyop nature, guys. Because of the, I want you guys to buy into that anything is possible, and we still live on planet Earth where there are people that will fucking kill you. There are, some people call them elite. I call them other human beings, and basically they have the power to kill you. Like they can have you killed or find out a way to kill you. And it's not crazy to think, guys, because this happens every single fucking day. If somebody decides they want to kill you and they've made up in their mind that they're going to kill you, or they've been paid or contracted out to kill you and they're going to follow through with it, you're going to die because you're likely not going to be prepared about it. So I'm always, in my life, guys, especially doing this channel, I'm always ready to fucking defend myself. So if anybody ever comes after me, you know, they might kill me, but they're going to have a hard time doing it unless they plan that out better. So my point is I'm not saying that these people are going to be killed. I'm just saying don't rule anything out, guys. This crypto space is a big thing right now. And potentially, guys, even if these prices stay down, I think they're going to go up, because if we start looking at the movements of where the coins are, it doesn't really matter. Like if we go down, guys, even if we lose 20, 30 more percent from where we're at, not even 20 or 30% for the month, if we lose 20 or 30% from where we're at, I only think it'll trigger more buying. I really don't think it's going to be anything but that. And I'll tell you why. When we look at the coins on where they're at, we're still way up. It's just the people that just came in got wrecked. But if they will, you know, change out their underpants, then they will be able to get back in a more profitable position, regardless of the times, you know. These times aren't going to last, guys. Stuff's going to happen. You know, life is going to move on. You know, things are going to continue to happen, and you're either in this stuff or you're out. But if you're out, you might have a hard time coming back in. So, you know, think about that before you start selling your positions, or before you're like, oh, I'm done. I'm done. I'll tell you guys, if you're done, bye. You know, I told you guys that the other day. You guys are done. You know, that's great. You're going to miss out. I'm not missing out on this shit because I already know what's going on. I already know what's going on, and I already know that I'm not going to miss out because I'm already in place, ready to go, been ready, feeling fantastic about where I'm at already. So, you know, I'm not going anywhere in terms of like, if the prices drop, guys. Obviously it would suck if I'm not hoping for a 20 or 30% drop. That's not what I'm saying. But a 20 or 30% drop, guys, wouldn't be astronomical. That would just put us back. If you guys remember last month, last month and a half, I guess at this point, that's when we dropped down. You know, we had that big run up. We had that initial run up. I would say that was the initial big run up. We crashed, and now we went back up, which actually sparked a lot of excitement in the short term. But now we've fallen from that down to, you know, a little higher than we were from the original crash, you know, the one that was the major run up, the Solana to 200, where all the altcoins followed. You know, we had the run up on BSV in January, and then we had the altcoins. But my point is these down periods don't look like they're going to last, in my opinion. You know, I'm not going to pull up the charts today, but they don't look like they're going to last. They look like they're, you know, it looks difficult right this second, guys. But if you give this stuff a few more weeks, I don't think we're going to be accelerating losses. I just don't see it. Now, if we do, we'll discuss it, guys. I'll be here. You know, if we go down to, you know, Bitcoin Cash 200 and BSB, you know, $25, that will suck. You know, that will suck. But, you know, I'll find a way to get some. I'll find a way to buy some. That will actually increase the sense of urgency, because I'll be like, oh my God, I need to get some right now. And basically that'll be that. You got to go on your own pace, you guys. Don't let anybody shift you off your pace. So, you know, this portfolio we're doing, it's still doing, guys. It's still going. So If the prices go lower, increase your interest in your new portfolio. If the prices go lower, increase your positions in your portfolio, right? If the prices go higher, take a step back and watch your current positions. That's what I'm doing. I mean, I'm still doing fantastic, guys. I mean, I'm not sitting here like I was 3 months ago, or 6 months ago or 8 months ago. I'm making progress in my portfolio, regardless of the price. And again, because I'm going in it, and I've been going in it, so technically I'm up a good bit from where I was a couple months ago. I'm stoked about that, but I know that some of the new people that came in, guys, I know that you guys are pretty much fucked, but you're actually not fucked because if you just hang in there, and hopefully either buy more or learn the lesson that it would have made more practical sense to buy it. Take whatever money you have. Like if I have $5,000, I'm going to space that $5,000, over the course of 10 weeks because that's all that I'm going to invest right this second. And I'm not going to ever invest anymore, or I'm not going to ever invest any less. So if you have a set amount that you're going to invest, like you're saying, I'm going to invest this 5,000. It's all I got. I'm going all in. Take that 5,000, space it out over the course of 10 weeks. Do a couple buys when it's down in those 10 weeks. See how you do. I would recommend that. Um, but a lot of people, I think they went in when Solana was at like 180, and I'm just bringing up Solana, guys. Please, 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 please don't misread this. I'm just bringing up Solana because that was the main attention grabber crypto that went up all the way, you know, uh, into those 2 3 months that bring the BTC rise and the altcoin rise. So my point is, um, is that a lot of people jumped in there, right? A lot of people jumped in there. All right, let's head to the comments, guys, and we'll wrap it up here in the chat on the channel on cryptocurrency theory. We're live on cryptocurrency every single second of every single day. And just know that if I'm not literally on here every single day, guys, it's a form of expression. And I'll let you know the prices when I return. I mean, you guys probably thought it was a bit weird that I didn't come on here and was like, oh my God, the whole thing we've been talking about was CZ being arrested. He's finally been sentenced. Wasn't on here. Roger Ver when arrested, one of the main people that inspired me to get into crypto. Wasn't on here. So my point is, guys, if I'm not on here, it's because I'm busy reading all these damn comments you're leaving and trying to do my fucking thing. I got to get my thing going, guys. I got to get my portfolio going. So we are on here every single second of every single day on the channel, on the chat. But we're not literally on here every single second of every single day because I like to have a life, guys. I like to sit around and think about not doing the channel. All right, let's see what you guys are saying, guys. We'll wrap it up here. Smooth operator, what's good, my dude? I've been mentioning you a lot on the chat, man. Your comments always hit me home. I don't know if it's because we're both in BSV or what, but yeah, dude, this thing with Roger's crazy, man. I hope he's all right. Bentley Timberlake, how's BSV? Let's take a look at BSV, BCH. Yeah, so you guys are saying pretty much what I thought. Pretty much what I was thinking. That's what I mean by what I thought. So let's look at 2 or 3 coins, guys, and let's wrap it up. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash real quick. I'm gonna look at log charts. I want to see what the logs are looking like. Like, guys, I want to be clear. All right, I'm gonna say this if you guys are still watching the channel up to this point. You guys are still watching the live. You're gonna get a little bit of bonus footage right now because the people have already came in and out, and now it's in their ass, guys. So my point is if we look at the log charts, right? If we look at the log charts right here on the screen, we see something very important. We are going to go higher, guys. And the next jumps are going to be bigger. Okay? Okay? That's good. That's what's going to happen. These prices right now, if they don't crash, they're going to double. Okay? And they're going to double fast. So let's look at the same thing on BSV. Okay, BSV has gone back into the red a bit. So, nothing guaranteed, guys. I'm not a fortune teller. I can't tell you what's going to actually happen. I can only tell you what I think is going to happen, and I'm pretty much always bullish. But there are times when I'm less bullish, and that's not right now. So I think we're going to head higher. I still think Ethereum Classic, guys, is a $250 coin. And I think it could happen quicker than most people think. And I think the same month of volatility, guys, that we've had in the crypto markets could be another month in the future that's much higher from where we're currently at, which would be very impressive gains if we started doubling and or tripling from where we're at right this second. So just think about that. If the prices double from where they're at right now, that is much more exciting than where we have been already, because the prices are so much higher from where we've already been. So think about it like that, guys. We will catch you in the next stream. Like I said, we got upgrades coming to the channel. Take care. And we're back. Bonus footage again. Bonus footage again. Are you guys still watching? What's up? All right, guys. Later.